Follow along for this quick and delicious homemade creamy spinach soup recipe. We will start by chopping one onion. You will add this to your pot with some butter and saute until translucent. Season with salt and pepper. You will then add 3 cloves of garlic. You will saute these until they're fragrant. Then you will want to make your roux. Add some flour. Stir until this gets a little brown. You might need to add a little bit more butter. Add some Tuscany chicken broth. This broth is delicious, guys. And then add 10 ounces of frozen spinach. You can just put it in there frozen. Add a dash of smoked paprika. And let's season a little bit more. We got a lot of spinach here. A little bit more pepper. Add your milk. We're using 2%. You could add half and half if you want to, if you want a little bit richer. Add the juice of 1/2 of a lemon and 1 cup of cheddar cheese. You will cook this until your cheese is melted. This dish is extremely quick. It will come together in about 20 minutes. It tastes just like what you get in the steakhouse. You will serve this with a dollop of sour cream and some fresh grated nutmeg if you would like. And like, share, and subscribe. And enjoy.